You know, it's given me that fire in the belly to get back in the office on Monday and put these in practice. So one of the key things that I've taken away from this course is actually how to use my strengths as a leadership and recognise my blind spots. This will help me to work alongside my team to bring in purpose and work along the vision for the organisation. It's certainly been great to have that reflection piece and actually having a conversation with my colleagues to see that they're going through the same thing as well. So it was good to have that open discussion. So if I was to describe my journey with LBTC, I would say it's transformative. It's reshaped how I think of my leadership. It's made me able to reflect deeper and actually take that into, put some meaningful growth into the business and inspire my team to achieve. I would definitely give it 5 out of 5. The balance between the experience-led as well as the discussions and the workshops and self-reflection as well was perfect. I think, you know, to be able to have that discussion with people that have been in the business and experienced all the tools that they're teaching was invaluable to me. You always have this preconception of training, sitting in a room, it's going to be quite stuffy, you're going to be coming out really tired, and you know, you also have sometimes that little bit of, am I going to learn anything here? I've been a leader for 12 years, you know, and yeah, completely changed my mindset. You know, it's given me that fire in the belly to get back in the office on Monday and put these in practice, so yeah, definitely.